Did you know you can run a dual monitor setup without buying an expensive graphics card? If your computer motherboard has an HDMI port and an old-school VGA port, you already have everything you need. In this quick video, I am going to show you exactly how to hook them up, tweak your Windows settings, and fix the most common issue people run into. Let's dive in. First, look at the back of your computer tower. Look at the upper section where all your USB ports are. This is your motherboard. You need to verify it has one HDMI port and one VGA port. Next, grab your cables. You will need one standard HDMI cable and one VGA cable, which is usually the one with the blue tips and thumb screws. These are the only things you need. Step 2 is plugging them in. Take your HDMI cable, plug it into the motherboard, and connect it to your main monitor. Then, take your VGA cable, plug it into the motherboard's VGA slot, tighten those little thumb screws so it stays secure. On the other end, plug it into your second monitor. Turn both monitors on, and power up your PC. Now, if both monitors light up, great. But for many of you, the VGA monitor might say no signal. Don't panic. This happens because some motherboards automatically disable onboard graphics if they think they don't need them. To fix this, restart your PC and repeatedly tap the F2 or delete key to enter your BIOS. Look for a setting named Advanced, Chipset, or System Agent. Find an option called iGPU Multi-Monitor, Integrated Graphics, or Onboard Video and switch it from disabled to enabled. Save your changes and exit. Once you are back in Windows, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings. You will see two boxes labeled 1 and 2. Click Identify to see which is which. You can physically drag these boxes around so your mouse moves smoothly from the left screen to the right screen. Finally, scroll down to Multiple Displays and make sure it is set to extend these displays. This gives you two independent screens instead of just duplicating the same image. And just like that, you have a fully functional dual monitor workspace using nothing but your motherboard's built-in ports. It is perfect for multitasking, studying, or working from home. If this video saved you some cash, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical tech tips, and leave a comment below if you ran into any issues. See you in the next one.